Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the Customer tab in Seller Central and explore its 4 key sections: Voice of the Customer, Feedback Manager, Customer Review, and Buyer Messages. In Seller Central, you'll find the Customer tab in the main navigation bar. Let's click on it and see what it offers. First up, we have Voice of the Customer. This section provides insights into customer feedback and product quality. It uses customer data to give you a scorecard for your products, helping you identify issues and areas for improvement. Pay close attention to this section to maintain high product quality and customer satisfaction. Next is the Feedback Manager. Here you can monitor and respond to customer feedback on your products. This section is crucial for maintaining your seller reputation. Quick responses to customer feedback can help resolve issues and prevent negative impacts on your seller metrics. You have the option to write a public reply or request the removal of feedback. Remember to read Amazon's guidelines before replying. To give a reply, simply write your response and click on Submit. The Customer Review section is where you can view and manage reviews on your products. Staying on top of customer reviews allows you to understand customer sentiment and improve your offerings based on their feedback. Responding to reviews can also enhance your reputation and credibility. Finally, we have Buyer Messages. This section allows you to communicate directly with your customers. Whether they have questions about your products, order status, or returns, you can respond to their messages here. Providing prompt and helpful responses builds trust with your customers and enhances their shopping experience. And there you have it. The Customer tab in Seller Central is an essential tool for managing your customer interactions and maintaining a positive reputation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips. See you in the next one.